me. Can't focus on me.
The fact that it's been so long since I had my natural hair out for you guys on YouTube, it's actually crazy. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. Today is the start of a series. You guys already know by Instagram, I definitely made a video stating how I was gonna start a series. For those of us who wanna become content creators, for those of us who are content creators and just want a safe space to talk, chat, talk about downfalls, usually basically trying to land brand deals, all that stuff. I just wanted a safe little vlog space to share with you guys and what I'm experiencing and all that other stuff. So if you're new to my channel, hey girl, my name is Kiana, aka Queen Key. Subscribe, join the fam, of course. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. But let's get into it. First things first, watch this if you want to become a content creator, or as a content creator you feel like you could be doing better. This is a place for you. I want to be able to have that community where people are in the comments dropping tips for me. I could drop tips for somebody else, or perfecting our craft, and for people who want to be successful at it. I do have some notes here because I wanted to come correct with y'all. So this is really just like the start of it. I will be showing a lot of different stuff, analytics, money, all that, monetization, brand deals. I'm gonna talk about all of that. First, let's get down to the real tea. Are you the influencer that's passionate about content creation, or are you the person who just wants to get the free PR? I'm not trying to bash nobody that's doing content creation just because they want to get free products. Social media is now a literal full-time job for people. There's not a problem with that. People get put on lists to use PR, get PR, and some people just do it just because they have the following and want free stuff. That's all fine and dandy. People can kind of tell when you literally are just consumed with content creating just to get the product and the money. If you're gonna be a part of it, have a platform, be a content creator, just try to be as inspiring as possible in your videos. Like, you know, get people to be like, oh my gosh, like she's really on her P's and Q's. That's the whole point of influencing. I thought the easiest way to be able to start off this series is to tell you guys where I am at. I'm gonna be brutally honest about my channel and what I feel like slowly just it's just irking my nerves. I started off on YouTube channel, I think I started in 2018, 2019. I'm gonna be putting screenshots on the screen just to show you guys. It took me a good 3 months to get 100 subscribers. 100. I am a beauty channel based around beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, all that other stuff. A year or two in doing YouTube, I was like, let me drop an eyebrow tutorial, because I don't know if y'all noticed, but like the brows, yeah, that was one thing that I always got compliments on when I learned how to do them, because at first it was quite terrible. When I learned how to do them, people always was like, oh my god, who did your eyebrows? So I was like, I'm gonna make a whole YouTube video dedicated to do my eyebrows. That there was that one video. Typically everyone has that one video that just goes viral, okay? That there got like almost 900,000 views. I think I woke up from being at like 8,000 subscribers at the time to like 15,000. And then from there it went to like 25,000. From there it went to like 20. And this is when I started getting hair brands. I was just really like feeling myself. I wasn't feeling myself too much because I was still making content that I felt like was down to earth. Everybody has it. They're gonna have that one video that just skyrockets, and then so many people start to subscribe, and they're gonna be like coming back. So that's the way you gotta keep them interested, basically. This is where it gets kind of sad, kind of, you know, like boohoo, but you know, we're gonna keep it pushing because I'm going to make sure that this year and so on and so forth that I come harder with my content creation. So over the years, around 2021, I want to say, down to now, my views have went from like freaking, I don't know, 20,000, 40,000 to 500 freaking, when I tell you 500, 400 views, 300 views, no. Like, and then to see my channel be at like 54,000 subscribers, but you get like 500 views, telling me right there that my viewers, the people that stuck with me from the beginning, they either lost interest. I definitely fell off of YouTube a good, I don't know how many times. I always, every other few months, I would be like, oh, I'm so sorry for that break, you guys. You know, my bad, I'm back, we back. No, people don't like that. They don't like it because it's like, you don't want an inconsistent man, so why would you want an inconsistent YouTuber? It definitely took a toll on my confidence in YouTube because I was like, I really feel like I'm still making my good content, and like, why is nobody watching? Like, what is wrong with me? I genuinely felt like, what is wrong with me? Anybody who's like that in my situation, give me put a little hearts in the comments, because you know what? It is okay. Do not feel alarmed, ashamed because you have a high following and like barely any views on your channel. You are not alone with that one. Don't feel like you're alone, because I promise you it's happened to so many YouTubers that have been OG doing their thing. Consistency is a part of it, but YouTube has become extremely oversaturated. Everybody's mamas, uncles, sisters, TTs, and freaking abuelas are doing YouTube now. As far as our community, it's just been growing, becoming a norm to just for kids to literally be like, yeah, I want to be I want to be an influencer when I grow up. When I was in school, like we wanted to be like firefighters and doctors and like, I don't know, scientists. Nobody wanted to be an influencer. Nowadays, you got people specifically wanting to be an influencer. Thank you, Fred. Oh, I appreciate it. It's me recording. I'm literally making a YouTube video.
My friend's hair ate.
Period.
Yeah.
Thanks, friend. Love you. Thank you. Personally, I have thought on multiple occasions to give up my entire channel or just to stop posting on channel and just post when I feel like it, because it's like, who cares if no one's gonna watch? But I'm like, I still have y'all watching. I still have people watching on my channel. And why would I do that? And because I still make money from it. Let's go there. But yeah, like, why would I give up something I actually genuinely love just because I don't have as many people watching? Like, the whole point is just to make it happen again. One thing I really wanted to talk about, people are honestly just, I guess, jumping over the fact that everyone's making the same content nowadays. Everyone is, and I'm not, I always say this, I'm not bashing because I literally fell victim to it. I was just like, I'm gonna start doing this font and making this, you know, have this type of saturation and like, you know, making everything look like how everyone else's videos are looking, because that's what people were liking. That only works for so long. Like, it may work for a couple of videos, but it's not gonna work for so long because everyone's doing the same thing. And so like, what sets you apart? Obviously, if you like the way the flow of someone else's stuff is looking, you just kind of want to take a little bit of tips from how their videos look. Bless you, Cleo. My cat over there sneezing. If you want to take tips and notes on how somebody else's stuff looks and you want to like transform it onto your stuff, that's cool too. So for me, this little series, it sets me apart. I have yet to see anyone really making a dedicated like series on like why they feel like their YouTube channel sucks. Being a true content creator or influencer is just accepting the fact that not all of your content is gonna hit. You can have better content, better quality than Susie. Her video is gonna do wonders over yours just because things get pushed better than some other people's content. But let me just be transparent with you guys. I have about 54,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is one piece of hair, girl. On my Instagram, I have about almost 11,000. It fluctuates. I don't know if the bots are just trying to not let me win, but it was at 11,000 and now it's at 10.9. We're growing slowly but surely on TikTok, and it's about what, 14,000, almost 15,000 on there. I basically have like a micro medium size base like platform on my platform. Combined, it's quite a bit of y'all. So I'm loving my family that I'm growing. You guys are amazing. Moving on to the brands that I've been working with since the start of my channel. Brands such as Amazon. Yes, your girl has worked with Amazon, and that was a blessing in itself. Amazon, jewelry companies, fashion brands, health and fitness brands, multiple hair companies like Ali Julia Hair, Ali Pearl, all them hair companies. Yes, and those were companies actually that kind of reached out to me when I was at like 15,000, 20,000. So don't think that you're not gonna, if you are at like less than I am, that you're not gonna get talked to or reached out by. Make sure you have your business email, all that stuff in your description, all that. For the very first video, I'm actually going to talk about my pitch, like things that you need to have portfolio wise, pitches, like how to formulate writing a pitch to a company to be able to work for like UGC content. UGC content is user generated content, which basically you can get paid for promoting the product or whatever product they want you to promote. You can get paid to promote it. So yeah, that's why a lot of people, you see a lot of people with the UGC and it's just a video straight like showing a product or whatever or something like that. That is UGC content. I'm gonna be discussing all of that, the pitch, really mainly getting y'all right so that you can have your best foot forward when you're directing, or you wanna hit up Savage X Fenty or Dossier or I don't know, Shein, Fashion Nova. You want to work with Pretty Little Thing, you have to come correct. So therefore, I'm going to help you guys show how I created my like portfolio. I'm going to also make ssure that I show you guys how to properly formulate and write your pitch to brands. So yeah, the current companies that I work with, like it's a literally like a recurring kind of contract type of thing, is Dossier, Shein, Kiss, and I think that's it, I believe, for like the recurring brands. So these are brands that literally send me stuff faithfully every month, multiple times a month even sometimes. I work with these brands. So y'all can leave questions down below if you ever wanted to work with or, you know, receive PR through Shein or Dossier or Kiss, just let me know, because it's actually not that difficult. I was actually denied the first time I went out of my way to ask Shein to be a part of their team. They denied me. That was around me having like 45,000 subscribers, maybe 40, I think. 40, I think, something like that, 42 or 40. They denied me. They said absolutely not. They were like, you need to have more subscribers and you need more engagement. When I was at that time, I was making a bunch of Shein videos through my own money, like literally spending like, oh, I spent $300, watch my huge Shein haul, things like that. Those videos were making quite a lot of views. So in my mind, I'm like, y'all need me. What do you mean? But I left that alone. And then literally what I want to say in 2022, end of 2021, I don't even know what year it was. But at the end of the year, it was like around December, January, somebody from Shein's team, whatever, hit me up through my email. I thought it was fake. She was just like, yeah, so we want to put you on our PR team. We see your content and blah, blah, blah. I literally about cried because I was just like, what? It took y'all this long though? Like, I don't even understand. A whole year later, they hit me up, and from the rest is history. I have been literally working with Shein for years. When I tell you, before they were even popping, like everyone doing like Shein hauls and whatnot. Then you also have those one-time companies that you work with. Currently, I'm working with like one-time type of ordeal with The Ordinary, which is a skincare brand. If you guys don't know The Ordinary, then you must be living on a rock. No, but no, The Ordinary is a great brand for skincare. I had to wait until my skin fully healed because I went through some sort of reaction like literally a couple weeks ago. So I had to wait to be able to start using the products, and they're great. So yeah, The Ordinary, y'all will be getting my review very soon. I just had to put it on pause. So sorry. So yeah, I will get more into it for the next video, because the next video will be talking about how to properly approach companies and actually just, you know, getting your portfolio set up, all that stuff. So the tip of the day for the start of the series, a tip for today is start that portfolio, babe. Get that portfolio ready. No company is reaching out to you unless you are famous already. No company is going to look at you and be like, oh yeah, we want her, without seeing your work in like a centralized, you know, area or a centralized like portfolio. No one wants to see your, no one's gonna be like, people are gonna look and be like, who is this? People, it's actually really unprofessional to just send someone your YouTube link or here's my TikTok, like click the link. So make that portfolio today, okay? You can definitely do this on Canva, but again, I'll be talking about this fully in the next video for you guys, so stay tuned for that. On this series, in this channel in general, I want to make sure you guys get real deal advice on how to start up your channel, your content creation business, or you know, what you want to do for content creation. It's a difficult road because a lot of people think it's so easy to just prop up a camera and make money. No. Not at all. If that's the case, everybody would be doing it. It's not easy out here. It's hard out here for I just want to be that big sister for you guys. Tell you guys, you can do it. You can do this. All you have to do is make sure you prepare yourself with all the tools, information, and tips that you need to better equip yourself to be able to do it. And that's what I'm here for. Okay? I'm not gonna let y'all get caught slipping for no reason when I have the ability to just, you know, share what I know, and you guys can tell me what you know. So very proud of you guys for taking the first step and watching my video and like learning more tea and information on how to start your channel and what you need to do to better your content or better your content creation, or just having that spot where you can share, you know, your vulnerabilities in regards to why you feel like you're not making enough videos or making enough money with your content creation. You're not alone. You are not alone. I am here with you. All right, my loves, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.
Lazy and broke. I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I don't feel